Inverse functions and tables and graphs. Uh, the purpose of this question is to make you focus and pay attention to the symbols, what they represent in graph and table format. Great. Using the shown graph, this one, the function f of x equals y. Oh yeah, f of x equals y. Find the following. Okay, f of -4. Okay, 4. So this is my domain right here. And on the horizontal axis, this is my range. And it looks like I want to evaluate the function f. So I'm looking over here, f of -4, -4. Huh. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. It's like, okay. It's like -1 right here. So come here. Yep. Let's verify. F of -4 is -1. Great. Now let's see. F inverse of -1.5. Okay, but now notice this thing is static. What's really happening? Well, it now says starting from the domain of f inverse, where's -1.5 come from? But again, remember, the domain of f inverse is the range of f of x. So this picture is completely static. I can't change the picture, and we're now showing this f of x equals y. But remember, and here's again another reason why I don't like to change things, is that you see that f inverse of y is also sitting right here, right? It just goes to over here. So now what that means is, oh, let me find -1.5. Oh, -1.5 is right here. Here, yes, because it's really backwards, and figure out where it comes from, where it goes, and it goes to -6. See how that went? Because now again, everything here is the domain. So this now this whole line now is domain of f inverse of x. Oh, sorry, f inverse of y. Now, usually you like to see the domain sitting right? That's right. And so if I were to flip this, all of a sudden you get that mirrored image. So you would have to now bring all of these numbers over here and the other numbers over there. But this is static, it's not changing, so I have to leave it alone. What about this one? F of x equal 2. Again, all we're doing is making sure that we can read this. Now, what object in the domain gives me an output of 2? So I need to find here, go to 2. Go down, oh, it's 2. So x equals 2, or f of 2 equals 2. There we go. Yay. And one more here, just to make sure we're paying attention. F inverse of 1. What is it? Well, again, I'm doing the inverse. So now I'm sitting here in the y. Find 1. 1 is here. And now hit the graph and go down. Oh, looks like it's 1 again. So F inverse of 1 is 1. And that's it. What if I have it in table format? Same thing. Table format, no different. Just make sure you understand and read this properly. For example, f of 2. F of 2 is 2. Again, the apple here, enter input 2, output -1. Great. What about f inverse of f inverse of 3? Oh yeah, but notice this thing is now static. So that means I'm starting from this is the range of this function. And here's my domain. But everything has been, as soon as you throw that symbol, everything's been reversed. So now, what used to be the range is now the domain. So when I hit that, all of a sudden, we're looking at domain right here. So now I have to go backwards. 3, f inverse, 3 right here. And then what does that go? To -1. Yep. That's right. That's where it goes. What g of 5? Okay, g of 5. G of 5. G of x equals 5. Okay, g of x equals 5. So again, This is the range. Notice this is the range of x. So I need to come over here. 5. And what's the input? The input is 4. So x equals 4 is the input. Or g of 4 equals 5. So all this is about keeping track of the symbols and how to read them. Okay. One last check. What is h inverse of 0? Again, now inverse means whatever used to be the range, now the domain. So now I'm thinking of this as a domain. And so I come over here, 0, follow it. Oh, this is not 1-to-1. Damn, 0, 0, 0. Wait a minute, this is thinking 1-to-1, -1. See, -1, 0, 1, and 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. 3, 1, 0. This ain't function. Ugh. I'm not going to answer this question because I'm using function notation, and clearly this is not 1-to-1. Ugh. How would I ever do this?